Hi everybody, welcome to another educational bite presented by Acorn Internet Services. Today I'm going to show you how to find and fix broken links on your WordPress website without using a plugin. So let's go right to the website we're going to check. I'm going to go ahead and copy down just the URL here, just the domain with the wwws, not including HTTPS, colon slashes, anything like that. Then we're going to go to this website, which is free broken link checker, brokenlinkcheck.com, and go ahead and paste in the URL into this field under free check for broken links. When you do this, make sure you don't put any slashes or any extraneous characters in here. The wwws are fine, but don't put any other characters or it won't work. Then click Find Broken Links. Then we're going to come in here and fill in our little CAPTCHA security code there and click Find Broken Links Now. And what'll happen, it'll immediately start running, and we'll just go ahead and let it run. So when it's completed, and it can take some time, maybe up to 10 or 15 minutes even, depending on how big your site is, it'll say completed. And so then when you want to go in and find the link and fix it, what you're going to do is click this URL button, and that will take you to the page on your site where the broken link is located. And then you'll know that the link is, in this case, it's ru127.com, because it's going to have the full link right here in this middle column. Keep in mind, if you have your site set up as a subdirectory like 1896o'malleyhouse.com/blog, that means that this site will check your blog as well as your website. If your site is set up, or sorry, your blog is set up in a subdirectory, like if it was blog.1896o'malleyhouse.com, then it's not going to check for that. You would have to do that separately from your wwws. So we're going to go ahead and click URL, and that will open the page on the site where this broken link exists, and we'll come down here, and it's right here, ru127. So apparently that link no longer works. It could be because the restaurant is closed. That's very often happens if you have a dining page on your website. A lot of bed and breakfasts do. Restaurants will go out of business, you know, every now and then, and you'll have a broken link on your site. Or it could be that the link was put in incorrectly. It just kind of depends on how that happened. But to fix it, what we're going to do is click Edit Post, and that'll open up our blog post to edit it. And we can come down here, and we're just going to click on this broken link and then click our little edit button. And that will open up the link to edit it. So in this case, this is a closed website. So what we want to do is actually remove the link. If it were just wrong, we could come in here and just change the link and click apply and fix it. But if the link is broken because the website does not exist anymore, we can just go ahead and come up here and click remove link. And then you don't have to actually, you don't have to remove any other information. If you want to rewrite your blog post or your page to remove this whole paragraph that is about this closed dining option, I think that would be a good idea, especially absolutely if it's like an attractions page on your website that talks about restaurants or attractions or things. If those things are closed, remove them from your website so you don't cause confusion for your customers. On an old blog post, it may not be as important, but it's still a good thing to do from the aspect of user friendliness. If you're talking about this great restaurant, it's so wonderful, it's down the street from me, but it's not really there. You don't want to bait and switch your customers, basically. So that's how you do it. And then you just come back to free broken link check, and you just go to the next one and click, click, click through. Now here's something that we could talk about for blogs. A lot of times festivals and events will change the URL for the event will change because it's a yearly event. So, or the main website where that event information is hosted will go through a website change. You know, they'll update, they'll get a new site, and that will mean that a lot of their links are changing. So I recommend that you do this about every 6 months, just so you can check, find your broken links, and fix them. All right, so that is how we fix our broken links using free broken link check. Thanks, everybody.